So could we be potentially seeing an IPO for Ripple XRP? A Wall Street expert has shared with us their prediction for the IPO's date. Now, there have been a lot of rumors about this IPO and when it will be coming out, and it seems like as if it gets pushed back by quite a lot. And so we're going to take a look at their explanation on what date they think that Ripple could be going public. But let's have a look at the market, guys. We are seeing a red sea today. A lot of coins are down. So ADA is down by 4.8%, XRP down by 3.3%, Link 5.6%, Solana 7.2%, and CAS at around about 13%. And there's only a few coins on here that have gone up. So for example, Doge by 4.5%, NIA 6.7%, and MNT 5.9%. So you'll see that the crypto market has taken quite a hit today on Friday, and it's not just affecting the price of XRP. So let's have a look at what the Wall Street expert has predicted for the Ripple IPO date. Comment down below your predictions for the Ripple IPO date. I personally want to know when you guys think that it will be coming out. And so the Wall Street expert Jones pinpointed mid-May 2024 is when she sees the Ripple IPO happening, and specifically around May the 15th as well as the ideal window for Ripple's IPO. So as we know, we do have the settlement dates for next year. I believe that April is one of them for both parties to agree, but apparently the actual settlement final conclusion won't be happening until July. And so if that's the case, according to her prediction, she believed that it will happen around about a month and a half before that. And she says, that's my first target, that they might go public. And then she goes on to say that if everything is basically lined up and they want to go public, that they could do so by then. And then she goes on and talks about if they don't actually hit that deadline, then that the next viable opportunity might not arise until 2025. Now, if you really think about it, we only have roughly 6.5 months left until her prediction may come true, or it may not even come true. Now, with regards to the settlement that we do have, I personally don't think that the Ripple IPO would be announced or even probably get approval before that. I think that we need to see the settlement be finalized first in order to have that approval from the SEC, because again, the reason why it is not happening now is because of the fact that the SEC are the ones that have to approve any IPO in the US. And so why would they approve the IPO of Ripple if they are currently going through that legal case and they have not reached a settlement? And before we have a look at the price action for today, which is November the 17th, we have a couple of things coming up for Ripple in 2024. So again, that potential IPO that I was talking about, it may not happen in May of next year, but we have the whole year of next year, especially if we settle, and that could potentially be happening. We also have HSBC, which has partnered with Ripple's Metaco to offer tokenized securities custody. Now, it's important to note that Ripple actually owns Metaco, but they are not going to be using the XRP ledger, and instead they are using their own chain called Orion, which you can see that it says it's a platform over here. But this will be launching in 2024, and we've also got the fact that the BlackRock Bitcoin Spot ETF approval should be happening at the beginning of 2024. We actually do have a specific date as well, which is January the 10th that it could be happening, and BlackRock have said that they are very confident that it's going to be happening at this time. And what's going to happen when we have that approval for the Bitcoin Spot ETF is quite a lot of the altcoins are going to rise, because Bitcoin will be driving the price in the crypto market. So that is going to be another factor for XRP's price to increase. And then just recently that was announced, XRP has been relisted on a top exchange after 22 months of it being delisted. And so the reason why it was delisted from this exchange is because of the lawsuit that XRP had entered in with the SEC, and the exchange that they're currently relisted back on that originally took them off is called CEX.io. They have now just announced 2 days ago that they have relisted XRP, so you can buy, sell and trade on their platform. However, the other exchanges that have yet to relist XRP are Kraken and Coinbase. Now, as we already know, Kraken have around about 9 million users and Coinbase has 100 million users, or 110 million. So this news is obviously major. CEX.io roughly have 6 million users, so it is a decent sized platform. But I think that the biggest move that we will have for XRP in terms of trading volume and price will be when Coinbase relist it, because of the amount of users that they have. And so again, it's just one of those things where we will have to wait for Coinbase to relist it, and I think that they're going to leave it until both parties, the SEC and Ripple XRP, have actually settled. So let's have a look at the price action for today. We are currently down by 3.51% on the 1-day chart, and the volume is down by 7.39%. We are currently trading at $1.5 billion in volume. So as you'll know, for the past 7 days, we have been going down. We are down by 5.76%. Ever since that rally, we went down to a low of 61 cents over here. However, we did manage to actually climb up and we went to 65 cents, but XRP coin was not able to hold. hold. And so ever since then, for the past day, we have actually come down from that 65 cents and pulled back all the way to 60 cents. Earlier on in the morning, we did go to 62 cents, but we are now on that borderline of 60 cents basically. And you'll see over here on the 1 month chart, it looks like as if XRP is on a downtrend and going below 60 cents. And if it does, I do want XRP coin to be roughly trading at around about 54 to 55 cents, because that is where it was consolidating before. But again, for the overall performance of XRP coin, it is up by 23.8% on the 1 month chart. So it's not like as if we haven't made any other gains, but I am personally not focused on the price too much until we are on that crypto bull run. I believe that this is just a correction, and I do believe that XRP coin will be able to increase when we see the whole crypto market rise again. Bitcoin is actually currently down and it's trading at roughly 36.3k in just one day, and the overall volume of the market is down by 7.42% on the 24-hour chart. So again, I'm not really worrying about XRP's price, and what we have to do now is just to currently monitor it to see if it's able to stay within that 61 to 62 cent range, or if it's going to go to the downside with that 60 cent price point. Guys, if you want daily XRP coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.